Eleventy versus Hugo. Which static site generator should you choose? So, static site generators help you build fast, secure, and maintainable websites using plain files and templates. But two standout tools in this space is Eleventy and Hugo. While both can create blazing fast websites, they take very different approaches. Whether you're a developer who loves JavaScript or someone who prioritizes speed and ease, this guide will help you decide which tool suits your workflow better. So let's go ahead and start with Eleventy. So Eleventy, also called Eleventy, is a simple static site generator built in JavaScript. This supports multiple template languages like Markdown, Nunjux, Liquid, and more, and is known for its developer-friendly setup. You can customize nearly everything inside of here, and it's great for those already comfortable with JavaScript ecosystem. Let's talk about the pros. So it's built with JavaScript, great for JS developers, supports many template engines, easy to configure and extend, good control over content and structure, but there are a few setbacks. So build times can get slower for larger sites, no built-in server-side rendering, less opinionated, which may mean more setup work. Now, Hugo is a super fast static site generator written in Go. It's known for its speed and simplicity, perfect for those bloggers, documentation sites, and even large scale projects. It comes with built-in themes, content types, and an efficient templating system. Pros: extremely fast builds, even for large sites, great for blogs and documentation out of the box. Built-in taxonomy, menus, and multilingual support, active communities, and lots of themes to choose from. Setbacks: written in Go, harder to extend for non-Go developers. Template syntax can be tricky to learn, and also less flexible than Eleventy for custom setups. So go with Eleventy if you want a flexible JavaScript friendly tool that supports many templating options and gives you complete control over your content. Or go with Hugo if you want the fastest possible builds with excellent out-of-the-box features for blogs, portfolios, and documentations, especially if you value speed and minimal setup.